Charlotte homebuyers, listen up. If you've been thinking about buying a home in 2025, you've probably heard everything from it's impossible to get a house to the market is about to crash. Well, neither one of those are 100% true. Well, today I'm breaking down exactly what's going on in Charlotte's housing market right now. The numbers, the trends, and what it means for you as a buyer. And sellers, you can listen to because you should know what buyers are thinking. And stick with me until the end because I'm going to share with you 3 moves you can make today that will put you ahead of about 85 to 90% of the other buyers out there. Here's the thing. In this market, the people who win aren't always the ones with the most money. The ones who win are the ones that know how to play it smart. It is still a seller's market, but things are shifting. Right now, Charlotte has 3.13 months of inventory. That means if no new homes came to the market, all the current inventory would be exhausted in 3.13 months. And based on those numbers, that means it's a seller's market. But this is the big but. Inventory is up 2% from just last month and 24% from this time last year. Think about it. Homes hit the market and are still hitting the market at a slower pace, and buyers are getting to have more options. It's like going to the buffet that only had 2 dishes to now you're going to a buffet with 6 dishes. It's still not Thanksgiving dinner, but you've got choices now. What does that mean for you, the buyer? That means don't get lazy. It's still competitive in certain price points, but in other price points, you might not be fighting 15 people for that one house like you were in 2021 and early 2022. I have a quick question for you. If you saw your dream home pop up today, could you make an offer within 24 hours? If your answer is maybe, we need to fix that. And I'll explain how we can fix that in just 1 minute. Let's talk numbers. Homes are selling for about 97% of their list price. So if you think you're going to roll in with an offer that's $50,000 below the asking price, depending on the price point, you're probably not going to get invited to the closing table, meaning they're not going to accept your contract. Instead, you need to know how to position your offer, when you should go slightly over the asking price, when there's room to negotiate, and when you should go under the asking price. And trust me, knowing that difference will save you tons of stress and money. Now, I had a client who loved a home that was priced at $440,000. And we ran the comps and saw that it was priced right. And instead of playing games, we came with a strong offer with the right terms. And guess what? My clients got the property without overpaying. That's the power of knowing the data and knowing what to ask for and what those proper terms are. And I'll get into that a little later. The median days on the market right now is right around 40. That means you have some time to think about things, but not as much time as you think for homes that are priced well and in some of the hottest neighborhoods. You see, in some of the hottest neighborhoods, the average days on market is more like 3. And if you're serious about buying, and you need to have your must-have list so you can recognize a good match instantly. Otherwise, you'll be the one saying, well, we were gonna make an offer, but somebody beat us to it. I don't want that to be you. I don't want you to miss out on a well-priced home and be able to get the proper terms that can cause you to win that well-priced home that fits all your needs. And by the way, the people that are beating you to make offers are probably watching videos like this. Right now, the median priced home in Charlotte is right around $438,000. That's your starting point. Whether you're buying above or below that number, it gives you a reality check as to what most homes are selling for right here in Charlotte. And here's the thing. If you know the median, you can figure out how much wiggle room you have in your budget before you even start really looking for a home. That's what separates prepared buyers from the ones who waste 6 months shopping. All right, now that you've got the lay of the land, here are 3 moves that can put you ahead of 85 to 90% of the other buyers right here in the greater Charlotte area. Number 1, get fully underwritten before you shop. Not just pre-approved, underwritten. Sellers love it because that means your financing is solid. There's no more hoops you need to jump through because the bank has already underwritten your files and you are solid. You are good to go. There is no ambiguity. Move number 2, work with an agent who knows micro markets. Charlotte is not a one-size-fits-all. You see, what's happening in Ballantyne might be totally different from what's happening in Noda or Still Creek. Number 3, be ready to move fast, but do not be desperate. Speed wins, but desperation causes you to lose. Know your walk away number before you fall in love with the house. So here's the bottom line. The Charlotte market is starting to show some cracks. So you have to be strategic in how you go about finding and buying your home. If you're ready to make a move, or you just want to build a plan for when you are, call me or text me. I am Sir Ashley, your real estate advisor, and I'll be happy to help you navigate this ever-changing real estate market so you can buy with confidence without losing sleep or overpaying or losing out on certain terms such as seller concessions. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications. I post market updates and real estate tips every week so you can stay ahead of the game and make smart real estate moves so you can allow real estate to work for you. Again, I'm Sir Ashley. Talk soon.